Okay, next obvious question is, so what is the rock bottom background basis of our experience? Now, of course, material scientists, they'll say it's some aspect of matter. They start off talking about chemical elements like sodium, fluorine, magnesium, radium. But are these really the elements of our direct experience? Let's ask our question again. What are you talking about in terms of direct personal experience? I mean, when was the last time you saw sodium, magnesium, fluorine, or radium? Do you have any in your kitchen? These are not elements of our experience. They're artificial substances. Material scientists also talk about molecules, atoms, protons, electrons, hadrons, leptons, and so on. But ask our key question again. What are you talking about in terms of direct personal experience? We don't see atoms, protons, electrons, and neutrons, and so on. So what is our world actually composed of? Pause the video again, look at the world around you, and jot down your answer. What is your world actually composed of? The answer to that question is really simple. Of course, you probably know that ancient philosophers talked about 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air, ether, right? Now, of course, material scientists say, oh, this is so naive. These things aren't elements at all. But actually, material scientists don't understand the deep intention. The ancient philosophers, for example, the Vedic philosophers, were not talking about stuff and substance. They're going much deeper. They're revealing the essential characteristic functions of matter without which the universe would not work. These 5 elements they talk about, earth, water, fire, air, ether, they're not talking about stuff and substance. They're talking about elementary functions, essential functions. Earth is solidity, water, fluidity, fire, energy, air is movement, and ether means accommodating space. Now have another look at the world around you. Can you see anything that doesn't come in these categories? Solidity, fluidity, energy, movement, space. I'm looking around my world. I can't see anything. So these are actual elements. Does that mean we've come to the end of our quest? Pause your video again. Look at the world again. Can you see anything more basic than those 5 elements? Those 5 essential elementary functions? Okay, let me ask you a question. You can see solids, but do you directly see solidity? You see liquids, but do you directly see liquidity? No. These are actually the valid functions, the valid constructs in our mind as a result of our direct experience. So what is it that we experience directly? Form, touch, taste, smell, sound. This is our direct experience. These are even more basic elements. The Vedic wisdom points out that these are actually subtle elements. Is there anything more basic still? Well, look around. Ask our key question. What are you talking about in terms of direct experience? Is there anything, look around in your world, is there anything more basic than these subtle sense elements, these subtle sense objects? No, there's not. But there's one more step in our quest for the axiomatic rock bottom background basis of our experience. And what that is, we'll discuss in the next video.